Thanks for this cake, Ice Cream Cat. My sisters are gonna love it. You're very welcome. How exactly do you make your sweets so special? Well, for example, this cake was sneezed on by dolphins. A dolphin sneezed on this cake? Yeah, in fact, here comes one right now. Okay. Yeah, must be the dolphin thought it needed a little bit more sprinkles. Okay. Brynn, Harper, look at what I got you. Hey, Elsa. Oh my gosh, thank you. Hey, Ellie. Cool. Thanks for bringing the cake, Ellie. Oh, you're welcome. Hey, what happened to the purple beanbag chair? Oh, we're getting it cleaned. Oh, okay. Yeah, I accidentally spilled some baked beans on it. Oh, okay. Why do you guys have your shoes off? Should I take my shoes off? Oh, no, it's okay. We're just getting the rug clean too. Oh, maybe I should take my shoes off. Nah, it's alright. I have got amazing news about this cake from the Ice Cream Cat. Ooh, like what? This cake was sneezed on by dolphins. Say what now? Sneezed on by dolphins. Made special by dolphin sneezes. Is that sanitary? Yeah, it's what makes it special. Well, okay then. Yeah, the Ice Cream Cat says that that's why the treats that the Ice Cream Cat makes are so special, I asked. Okay, well, in that case, I'll get some plates. Watch this. Hey, Dolphin? Yeah? We need some more sprinkles, is that okay? Sure! How's that? That's perfect, thank you! You're welcome! See? Oh, well, that's adorable!